Hey guys, so as you all know, Premier League starting very soon, and I'm sure a lot of you are making your fancy teams now, or just making a few changes to them with the Premier League starting this weekend. So now I'm just going to show you in my video what my team is, and tell you about my team and why I got them players, and maybe you can get a few tips off of that. But yeah, this is my team anyway, guys. So as you can see, I got Szczesny in goal, and the reason I've got him in goal is because he's just, in this previous season, just done really well. He's picked up a lot of points due to clean sheets, and Arsenal are actually rather solid at the back, like people don't expect it, but Arsenal are actually quite good at the back. Then in defence, I've got Distin, Kolarov, Felipe Luis, and Luke Shaw. Now I got Distin just because Everton's defence is just getting stronger and stronger every season, and Distin's one of them players that's 100% likely going to play every game. And then I got Felipe Luis because Chelsea's got two very easy fixtures in the first two games. They got Burnley and Leicester City, so they should be very winnable games. Should keep a couple of clean sheets in them too as well. And also Chelsea are just one of them teams that are really solid at the back, so you should definitely get at least one Chelsea defender in your defence. But the only thing about Felipe Luis is, even though he's Chelsea's #1 left back, it's going to be really tight between him and Azpilicueta for that left back squad. So yeah, it's going to be tight, but I decided to take a gamble with him. I've got Kolarov in the back as well, just because he's a bit like Felipe Luis. He's got what's it called? There's a couple of options in his position that could be played with Clichy at the back as well. But every game Kolarov plays, he always seems to get them assists, and he always puts in a good performance. So that's why I got Kolarov. Now I got Luke Shaw at the back as well, just to fit the back four. The reason I got him is because United are playing this 3-5-2 formation this season, and Luke Shaw won't be in the three centre backs. He'll most likely be playing out wide in the midfield, so we're getting up a lot higher up the field. Should be getting a few assists in there as well, so that's the reason I got him in there. Moving on to the midfield, then I've got Oscar, Mata, Sterling, and Punchin. I got Oscar just because obviously Chelsea's two really easy game weeks. He's also going to be playing just off the strike of the season again. So he's a playmaker for Chelsea, and he'll be getting a lot of assists. A lot of assists this season, and he should be scoring a few goals as well. So Oscar was a definite for me. And I got Mata in there. Mata, if you're United, he's the absolute playmaker as well. He's going to get lots and lots of assists just playing in behind Van Persie and Rooney this season, and he should get a few goals in there as well. I got Punchin, I don't know how to pronounce his name exactly, but I got him because he's just cheap. He had a solid season last year, and he put in a lot of good performances as well, so he was really good for the value he was at. I got Sterling because obviously you guys know Sterling. He's one of them players that's just getting better and better every game he plays. He's just got, without Suarez, I think Sterling and Sturridge will shine this season, but I didn't get Sturridge, so I definitely got Sterling. And then moving up to the attack, I've got Wayne Rooney and Diego Costa. The reason I got Wayne Rooney instead of Robin Van Persie is because Rooney's one United are always looking for. Rooney tends to get more assists than Van Persie as well, and he's also always scoring the goals as well. He's one United look to, and he's going to be United's captain this season, so I reckon that'll play a big part in it as well. I got Diego Costa up there as well because of Chelsea's easy games, and he's obviously Chelsea's #1 striker, and he looked really good in pre-season, getting a couple of really good goals. So yeah, that's why I got Diego Costa. A couple of players that I haven't got in my team, but I think you guys should really invest in getting in is Sanchez and Hazard. Definitely Sanchez though, because he may be expensive, but I watched him in the Community Shield, and his movement off the ball was so good. He's a midfielder, and he doesn't like to drop, so he stays high whenever possible, really, which is exactly what you want from a midfielder in fantasy football. And Hazard as well, obviously, because he was outstanding last season. I got him in my team, but then I took him out just because it was either Hazard or a team, so I decided to get the team. But yeah, Hazard's a good player to look for as well, guys. Anyway, it's been Kyle here, K-Legit if you want to call me that. Yeah, I hope I've gave you a few good tips, and yeah, just subscribe, like, and comment what you think my changes should be. And I'm just going to say this isn't my official team going into the Premier League. I will be making a few changes, but this is my team right now. Alright, catch you guys later.